Okay, here's how this one's gonna go. This is an amazing problem. Really enjoyable. Alright, so what we're gonna do is take this plus sign and relate it to logarithms, and we know that means to multiply. So I can rewrite this left side to be log x. I'll put the x first. And then we'd have x minus 990. Okay, equals 4. Okay, and this is similar to what you had written. Very close, if not the same. Okay, and then we have to remember that logarithms are exponents. So that means this 4, because it's equal to 4, that's what the exponent is. And now I've got this notion, I've got log with no base written, so therefore we know that the base is 10. So now I can rewrite this. Let's see, I'll do a subwriting here. So I'll go log 10 x times x minus 990 equals 4. Okay? Now we can write it how we know how to write it. We've done these before. So this is going to be, let me think here a minute. This is going to be 10 to the 4th power, 10 to the 4th power, and I lost my train of thought. 10 to the 4th power equals x times x minus 990. Okay, so 4 is my exponent. It's raised to the base to the 4th power, which is 10 to the 4th power, and that equals what's in the middle there. Okay, that follows the same pattern of what we have before, like log 5, 25 equals x, something like that. But this time we knew that it was 4. I could erase this x and put a 2 here. Then when I rewrite it, I'm writing it as 5 to the 2nd power equals 25. So it's taken on that same persona, if you will. Okay, so let's get rid of that. So that was just an example. So here's where I'm at thus far. And now, here's the beauty of this problem, is I'm going to, this is taken on the form of a quadratic equation. So I can say 10 to the 4th equals 10,000. Okay, and that equals x squared minus 990x. And now I'm going to solve this quadratic equation. Let's see, I got to get it equal to 0, so I'll subtract 10,000. Subtract 10,000. One more 0. And now this side is 0 equals this. And now I can factor this. I'm looking for two numbers that add up to be 990 and multiply to be 10,000. And that looks like it's going to be 1,000 and 10. If I subtract these two, I get 990. Okay, but this is going to be, the 1,000 is going to be negative, and the 10 will be positive. That way I get negative 990. Now when I go to rewrite this, it's going to be, notice my lead coefficient here is 1, so that's presumably the easier one. And then I'm going to fill it in. X and X. I got a minus sign here, I'll copy. And then if this is negative and this is negative, that means this has to be positive. And I'll put in my numbers here. So this 1,000's going to go here. And what's going to go here? 10 is going to go here. Equals 0. So I'm going to bring the 0 over here now. Equals 0. So to make this true, x will have to equal 1,000, or x can equal negative 10. And those are my solutions to this logarithm. Okay, that's probably your homework, so plug that in. I hope that's it, and I hope that works out for you. All right, and talk to you later. Bye-bye.